Sí. Thank you, Pedro. Okay. The Azure IoT Hub, again, it's an IoT, it's a platform as a service from the Microsoft, okay? And it provides a reliable and secure way to connect millions of IoT devices, okay? And you, again, in this exercise, the plan is not to use an edge device. You'll send the data direct to the cloud, okay? What the first exercise is? In the first exercise, you log in the Azure account that you already created, and you create a service, okay? Create a service. Which type of service? The IoT Hub, okay? And you create, set, you have all the directions here, step by step, that you need to use to implement the IoT Hub, okay? It's important. If you're, all the important information here, okay? Pay attention, the red ones, the very important information. Please, when you perform this lab, read and check if you have the same information. It's important because to avoid that you be charged. You cannot be charged, okay? Or what happens is not work if you miss it, for example, using a prepaid service, okay? And check with the check information. And the first task, you create the hub, okay? The IoT hub. Again, the IoT hub is the service, is the IoT service in the cloud, okay? The second part of the exercise, you register a new device in the hub, okay? You create a resource in the cloud that you, after you create this resource, you get the, you see, you have a Python code that you create, instantiate this service in your computer to send data to the cloud, okay? So you have you set the things related to this service in the cloud, and after it, you instantiate and install and create a code to send this data to the cloud. A very simplistic code. You can find this code in the GitHub. Okay, if you click here, you can go to my GitHub. Okay. And you have some explanation about the code here in this part, okay? And you run and you finalize the first lab, okay? So, how you do this exercise? Okay, it's the first, you have the second one, okay? And the second one, you continue the first exercise. I start it, and after I believe you need 40 minutes, return to the main session. I explain the second, return to the groups. How you do this exercise? So share. I will open the breakout rooms, okay? You can do this exercise alone, okay? Or you can do it in the group. My suggestion, you work in the group, because if you one student will work in the group, but everyone create your implement alone. You work in group, but you implement alone. You, for example, the group one, user one create your environment, user two your environment, and so on. Okay, but again, but you work in a group, because if you want has one question, oh, I don't know what is it means, another one can help you to clarify. Okay, I open the breakout room, you move to breakout rooms, and you start to work there. Okay, now I need to check the time. Now it's 30, it's 40, and 20, the next hour, 20 in the next hour. I return everybody to the main room and I explain the second exercise. Okay, guys? Any questions?
No.
Okay, if you have any question, you can call me and I will enter in the breakout room and explain, okay? Don't worry about it. I'm here, I'm keeping here in the main room, but if you have any question, I enter the breakout room and explain your question, okay?
Good.
Okay, guys, the breakout room is open. Please go move into breakout room and any question come there, okay?